How to make no one can see your languages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your languages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then go down again, profile information, and go down, click on your birthday, this pin here, and here you will find your languages. Click this icon and click more options, and then just click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.